Hello. I am starting off this vlog in my car. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I usually do like chit chats right before work. Like I'm literally in my parking lot at work. So yeah, that's where I am starting this vlog. I was going to bring in my camera. I went to the gym this morning and it was like 4:30 and I totally forgot to bring it. But I just got a brand new gym. They just built a new one and it's stunning. But I'm gonna get permission to see if I can film in there or not. I know, rightfully so, a lot of people don't want to be on camera even if it's just like in the background. So I'm gonna get that cleared with them. Hopefully I can film some workouts for you guys. But we are back on our macro train and back on just making sure that we're eating enough. So I know there's so much I feel like I have to catch you guys up on, but before our wedding, I got a nutrition coach and I feel like it changed my life. Macros were very, very scary to me. I'm not a math gal, not who I am, but she like broke down my macros. She made a plan for me. And what I realized was I was not eating even close to the amount of protein that I need to be eating every day. So it was hard to like train my brain to say, okay, you need to eat more because we are just so wired to eat less. So I could feel that. I did that leading up to our wedding, lost 20 pounds. And then post-wedding, I was just like, I need a break because you have to track every single thing you eat. And now I'm like, I feel weak and I feel gross. So we are back on macros, not as strict as I was before. Obviously I was in a pretty serious deficit, but yeah, we've got that going on. I'm gonna show you guys some recipes hopefully. And tomorrow we are switching up the hair. Another thing from the wedding, I chopped all my hair off. It was the longest my hair had ever been. And Drew loves my shorter hair, so in between the ceremony and the reception I chopped it all off, and now I'm just like I miss my long hair. And I also am going to switch up color, which is going to be interesting and terrifying at the same time. So yeah, I have to run into work. I will catch up with you guys later. We are going to I'm vlogging.
What?
I'm vlogging. Thanks. And we are going to get on the treadmill. So does anyone else have like a sick attachment to their Apple Watch? Because I did not wear one forever until I started doing my cut and then I tracked all of my calories. So I had my calories burned from this morning, which was pretty great for a upper body day, 426. But at my new job, I sit all day. So it's so hard to get my steps in. Like there's no way I ever get close to 10,000 steps. So I'm just gonna do maybe 2 miles on the treadmill and then we'll be back to cook dinner. For dinner, we're keeping it super simple, just doing a grilled chicken wrap and some sweet potato fries with a little bit of cottage cheese to make sure I hit that protein goal for the day. And this is it, just some veggies, grilled chicken from the air fryer, and toasted it up once it was all filled. Air fried sweet potato fries and that cottage cheese.
Now I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So now I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey, I ain't really got no bang. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it.
Okay, I am not sure how much of the workout you guys actually got to see. I tried filming in there. There were a lot of people. It is the first of the year, so it is very, very busy in my gym. I'm not sure why this looks so red, but we are heading in to our hair appointment. Taylor is my best friend. She's been doing my hair since I've known her, and she's only colored it one other time. So I am terrified and so excited at the same time. We're not doing anything crazy. I just want a little bit of dimension, just not solid black anymore. So wish me luck and let's go see Taylor.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard ways.
Hey y'all, we are back in the car. It is Friday now. My hair, I'm gonna have to show you guys like when I get home a little bit closer. I am so obsessed with it. And we really didn't do that much, but my hair lifted so well. So now I feel like I have the itch to like do even more. But like I said, it is Friday, last day of the work week. I am going to try to edit a video tonight. So hopefully before you see this one, there's a Makeup by Mario like foundation review and vlog the past couple days. Been busy with work and the kids and stuff, but hopefully this weekend we'll have some fun stuff to share. I'm doing a spin class again tomorrow with my friend Gab, and just excited to like wind down a little bit. Life has been so insane. But I am also going to link this outfit. Hopefully it's still all in stock because it's very casual, but it still feels elevated. And these hoodies from Abercrombie are the softest thing in the world. Also, I picked up breakfast on my way in this morning, and I feel like I am the only person on the planet that does not like the egg bites from Starbucks. Also, I think it's just because I'm burnt out on eggs. Whenever I was doing like heavy macro counting for the wedding, I ate so many egg whites that I'm just like, I can't do it. And it's like the texture of them. I can't do the texture. So I always do it still has egg whites, but it has turkey bacon, I think is what it is, on the English muffin, and it's my favorite thing, and it's just gonna make being at work on a Friday a little bit better. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I will check in with you guys after work, and hopefully we're just gonna have a chill night. It's just me and Druzy tonight, so I'm thinking pizza.
All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know.
Okay y'all, the struggle is so real. I am on my way to the gym this morning. I actually got Drew to go with me, but my entire day of vlogging yesterday, completely gone. I had this problem last time I was vlogging that like when I took my SD card and put it into my card reader, then it showed a bunch of like question marks, and it did the same thing the other day when I exported all of my footage for the Makeup by Mario video, and then once I put it back in my camera, it kept just like randomly shutting off, and I thought that it was just like a glitch. No, every single clip that I took yesterday, the cycling class, getting ready, talking to you about some products, the basketball game with the kids, everything is gone. But you know what? It's a new day. We're getting a workout in, and my husband is going with me. This is like, he is not a like traditional gym person. He was an Orange Theory guy forever. So the fact that he's going to the gym with me is so exciting, and he thinks that I am being completely ridiculous about it. But after that, I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're going to do a grocery shop, and we need it desperately, and just get some meals prepped for lunches for work, and just get our shit organized for the week. So that's what we have to look forward to. I'm going to go smash out some upper body, and then I'll meet you at the store. Can I get a grande pistachio latte, please, with almond milk?
Want that hot or iced today?
Can I get it hot, please?
Yeah, anything else?
Can I add 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla?
Amazing, thank you.
Thank you.
It'll be $7.83.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
My thing, every time you say, you got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, I got it.
Okay, we are finally back from the grocery store. I felt like I was there forever, but I love to just put my headphones in, zone out, and when I go, I have a very detailed list. I break it down into like categories. I shop produce, dry, dairy, miscellaneous, and frozen. Like, it's all planned out, or else I will forget stuff. So obviously I'm not going to show you everything that I got, but a few things that I always make sure I have on hand are egg whites, even though now I'm mixing them with like a serving of egg whites and 1 full egg, because whenever I was doing macros really intense before the wedding, I got to a point where I would gag just smelling egg whites. So we're working on it. This lesser evil popcorn, whew. You guys, this is so good. The macros are so good. 6 grams of fat, 14 carbs, and 2 protein. And this one is my favorite one. This is the Himalayan pink salt, and it's cooked with coconut oil, so it has like just a little taste of coconut. Good old plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Use this in substitution for sour cream, sometimes mayo too. I'm gonna do a chicken salad with a rotisserie chicken. Also, I love a rotisserie chicken so much. I'm pretty sure last time I vlogged and we went grocery shopping, I'm sure I got a rotisserie chicken too. But I'll mix like half of the mayo and half with Greek yogurt. Also, fish. So I am someone, I feel like I could be a pescatarian. Is it called pescatarian? Someone that like only eats seafood for their protein. It's 17 freaking grams of protein. So really excited to try this. I got some fresh mango salsa to go with that fish. And then these, if you can find these, you guys, these are so yummy. And the macros are really good on them. Only 1 gram of fat, 5 protein, and 32 carbs. But really, really tasty. And they have a bunch of different flavors of these. I always get the fresh ground peanut butter at Fresh Time because I'll eat that with these rice cakes and just like plain on bananas. So I am going to clean out the fridge because I do that every week. Whenever I get groceries, I clean out the fridge first to make sure we get everything out. And then it's just like a clean slate. And my camera is about to die. So I will charge you guys, clean out the fridge, and we'll come back for our meal prep for the week.
Okay, y'all, we are doing double duty. So we are cooking dinner and doing our meal prep. Right now, I'm making a marinade for these steak bites that are gonna go in the air fryer, and they were delicious. So I got them in there and let that sit while I finished chopping up all the rest of the veggies. And I am doing a huge bag of cauliflower because we're gonna have mashed cauliflower tonight. But the meal prep this week is so simple. It is a ground turkey kind of Mexican mix, and it's just some veggies and ground turkey with taco seasoning. I'm going to serve it over rice and add a little bit of cheddar cheese on the top. I'll leave all of the macros and measurements down below for this, but it's great. Add a little bit of sour cream or salsa on top, and it made like 6 meals. So back to dinner, we are throwing those steak bits into the air fryer. I know it said 9 minutes. I cooked those babies for about 4 to 5 and they were perfect. Doing some garlic green beans, and then for the mashed cauliflower, the key is the roasted garlic. It changes everything. We prefer this over regular potatoes anymore, and it is so delicious. Just doing a little drizzle of garlic butter over the top, and that was dinner. We're going to serve it with a fancy Zevia, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.